everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun berry fall inspired look. As you can see, it's just pretty much berry everything, which I think screams fall. And not to mention, no matter what eye color you have, this is going to make your eyes pop like crazy. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. This wouldn't be a fall video without some coffee. Pumpkin Love by Caribou in my Ray Dunn mug. It's a must. What's your favorite fall coffee? Let me know. I love flavored coffee and I just drink it black, no creamer. So what's your favorite? I need to know. I drink coffee all day, way too much, but it's so good. Okay, so the first eyeshadow we're gonna be going in with is the color Kin. And I'm using the Fluffy Eyeshadow Everything brush to blend it on. So as always, I am going to start in the outer corner and bring it onto the lid. And then when we have kind of like a light amount left, we're gonna start running that through the crease. And Kin is such a pretty eyeshadow. It is one of those that everybody loves on their eyes. No matter what color of eyes you have, it is going to make your eye color really pop. So I zoomed you in a little bit more, and then I am going right in that outer corner once again. This is just kind of like a second layer. I wanted it to be a little bit deeper and smokier than it was, and a little bit more pigmented. So just starting it right at that outer corner and making sure that when you first start your brush, you're starting it right at the lash line. That way, it's gonna be so much easier to blend out than if you were to start like right in your crease. And then just doing those windshield wiper motions in the crease. And an eyeshadow tip that I just learned, and I figured, whoa, that's like something you don't even think about. When you are holding your brush, you see how I hold it like right up here? You want to make sure that you're holding it higher up. That's how you're going to get like more of that soft diffused edge. You might not even realize it, but if you're holding it down like right there, you're going to have, you know, issues with harsher edges because you're just like holding it a lot more firm. And so you do have more control with it, but you're going to have a lot more of like harsh edges happening. So make sure that you're holding your brush. Like, I guess I always do it like right about the middle. Other color I'm going to use is Mama. So using that same fluffy blending brush. And you'll see I'm just going to run that right on that upper edge. I was just feeling like it was a little too harsh. The next eyeshadow I'm taking is called Bend and Snap, and I'm using the flat side of the multitasker brush, and I am spraying it with some Stay Spray. And so with this eyeshadow, we're just going to pack it right on to the lid, all the way to the outer corner where we made it nice and smoky. Got some more shadow on my brush. I didn't spray it again because it's still a little bit damp, and then I'm just gonna layer it up, make sure that it's nice and pigmented. Alright, and now I'm going back in with the Eyeshadow Everything brush, and I'm taking the pencil side this time and some of Kin. Just going to run it all the way across that lower lash line. And the last eyeshadow I am taking is Sabrina, and I'm going back in with that fluffy side of the Eyeshadow Everything brush, and then I'm just going to swirl it right in that inner corner. And you can also do a little bit on your brow bone if you like a little shimmer too. I'm gonna use my handy dandy tape because I decided to do a wing. I could not figure out for the life of me if I wanted to do a smoked out liner or what. That would be really pretty, but I figured to keep it simple, I'm just gonna do a wing. And with that liner, and the liner I'm using today is the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, my all-time favorite. I just go in and follow that tape and create that wing first, and then just pull it back onto the lid. Just go all the way from that inner corner, connect it right there, and then just kind of fill it in and fine tune. Have the liner how you like. You just remove the tape and you're good to go. These are the fake lashes I'm using today. These are Kiss lashes. And I will put the name of them in the description because I can't say it for the life of me. So these lashes are going to be a little bit more natural compared to what I normally wear, but they are super pretty. The band's a little bit on the thick side, so it takes a little playing, wiggling around. Now we can go in and do some lip color. I am first going to be taking the color Black Cherry, which is gorgeous, gorgeous for fall. Here's Black Cherry just by itself. I think it's really pretty on its own. It's a very comfortable, glossy type of blush, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything else on top. I thought maybe I would layer it up. What is this one called? Ruby. Yeah, I was kind of thinking of doing some ruby with it, but I like it nice and deep the way it is, so let's just leave it, keep it simple. Okay, beauties, here you have the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you would like to be color matched at all in mascara, send me an email. It will be at the end of this video and in the description box below. And if you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys!